welcome back to my sewing room. Today I'm going to show you how I turn this sleeve from an old shirt that my husband no longer needs or wants, and I'm turning it into a cute, adorable gift bag. Isn't this cute? So stay tuned, I'll show you how I did it. Okay, to get started, lay out your sleeve. And you're going to measure down about 19 inches. I've already marked mine. Nice and straight. I'm going to cut mine right there. There we go. Now we're going to turn this wrong side out. And we're going to go to the machine and just do a stitch right there. You can pin it if you like. Okay, we're just going to do a straight stitch. I'm going to line the fabric up with the side of my foot, and I have my needle in the middle position. Put my presser foot down. And I'm going to do a fixed stitch, or you can do a back stitch to lock in your stitches. And just sew all the way across. Take out your needle. Do a fixed stitch at the end. And we're done. Clip your threads. Okay, we just finished sewing the end of this sleeve. Now we're going to turn it right side out. Look at that cute little bag you have. Isn't that cute? You can put any kind of gift in here that would fit. I'm going to put this bottle in here and show you what it looks like. And I'm going to button the cuff. The top. And I'm going to tie it with this black and white check ribbon. And there you go. All done. And I also made another bag out of one of the sleeves from my old shirt. I just did a zigzag on this one because it's a stretchy fabric. And we just turn it right side out. And I like this one. It has some glittery thread, some sparkly thread inside of it. I don't know if you can see that on camera. It's really pretty, and I'm going to use this thread. See how pretty that goes together on this bag. So pretend you bought a little sock baby and you need a little gift bag, and stick her right in. You got plenty of room for more stuff if you wanted. And then we'll just tie it up with this pretty sparkly string. There you go, quick and easy gift bags made out of shirt sleeves. So if you have any shirts that you don't want to wear anymore, that don't fit, or they've gotten stained, cut off the sleeves and save them because they make great gift bags. Have fun designing and decorating your own gift bags. And save money too. Thank you for joining me today. Y'all have a so blessed day. Bye.